This video is about replacing the headlight assembly on 2004 to 2007 and 2008 RAV4s. The new assembly installed, the old assembly still in place. So these are the basic tools needed. Magnet, flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, 10mm ratchet, and open end. Okay, the first thing is to remove the cover over top your headlights. This is one of the simplest things to do. You just push in on the center and the piece just comes right out. Piece of cake. So we just pop each of those 8 out of there and the panel removes. Okay, so we want to remove the bolts across the top. The first one here. And then this has got a little catch to be aware of. And then we have this one. And near the grill you have this Phillips here, and then this pops out. You lift this up and then it lifts out. Okay, you have your Phillips that's down here, or you can remove it with 10mm, but this is where you want that magnet to pull it out, make it much easier. Okay, once you have all the screws out across the top, you've got to come down here, and it's easier to move your wheel off to the left side as much as possible. And we have to remove the screw here and a little pop plastic up in here. You remove those. Okay, you have to remove this inner fender piece so you can get up here, and you've got a 10mm bolt right here that holds the lower front valance to the fender. That's got to come out to get to that side screw. So then once you've got this bolt here, the 10mm out, then this valance will pop out, and you can get to the 10mm bolts here and here. You get those two out right there. So here's the top one removed, and we've got one more down in here. Okay, once you have both of these two screws out, pretty much ready to pull the assembly out. Before pulling the headlight out, it's easier to twist this off clockwise, and it just twists and pulls right out. It's also necessary, it makes it a little bit easier to take this fender bolt off, so you can pull the fender back just a hair to help you. It's again 10mm. So you want to push the assembly towards the fender so we can bypass these catches right here. And then it will pull out. So now you can pop this parking light unit, this parking light bulb out of here, and then these, the headlights will just twist out. Very easy. So So the new assembly will go back in reverse order. Make sure you get all your light plugs pushed in correctly. You may want to push the fender in with just a little bit of pressure to tighten this fender bolt back in place. You can just push this valance back into the fender, it just snaps into place, and then you can put this 10mm bolt back up and through here.